What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to BT Willa's Garage. Today we are not in the garage. We are inside because it's kind of rainy out. And what we're doing is practicing some pretty much draws, firing. It's like a day at the range inside. The reason we're able to do that is thanks to the iTarget Pro. So when you buy the iTarget Pro, you get a few things. You get a laser bullet. Please note, when you get it, you need to unscrew it and pull off the protective film that covers the battery. This bullet, when it gets struck by the striker, shoots a laser. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. Let's see. There you go. So, whenever you shoot the laser using your cell phone, it keeps score here in the background. So when it strikes that after we start the game, it's going to keep score. So what you do is, first, it's extremely important that you make sure your firearm is completely safe. So what I mean by that is visually inspecting, using your hand to inspect your firearm and making sure, obviously if you have 9mm, you need to get a 9mm laser bullet. We're going to insert that in. Now, in order to get the laser bullet out, you actually need to use a pencil or something and push through the barrel to push it out, because it will not eject. So we're going to put the laser bullet in, and we're ready to go. So on the app, you can enter your distance. I'm shooting from about 15 feet back, and you also use your hand to set up the target and make sure you're going to get your results correct, because you want to keep score and share with your friends and all that kind of good stuff and make sure that it's right. So again, 15 feet in my house is right in front of the coffee table pretty much. So I'm going to go back there, and I'm going to leave you guys here so that you can see the bullet striking the target, and you can see how the app keeps score. It's super fun, really helps with your draw more than anything. I'm not going to put my gun back in my waistband. I'm just going to shoot maybe 3 or 4 and see how well I do. I've been all over the 10, 9, 8s earlier, so we'll see if I can get it on camera. Alright, so pretty common for me, and I'll get better over time. This is day 1, but I want to show you, see how the trigger's pretty much locked back. Every time you cock, the bullet does not eject. See what I'm saying? And then you're able to continue to play the game as much as you want. Now, I would not recommend doing this too fast, or every time you shoot, you're getting the muscle memory of cocking, because obviously, when it comes down to it, if you ever need to use your firearm, you may, your brain may tell you to do that. So I recommend kind of reholstering every time or switching it up. I don't know, that's just my opinion. But anyway, I wanted to give you guys a quick review. You can save your scores. It'll take a picture of it. It'll save it to your phone. The only thing I've noticed is that after I save and I go to restart the app stops and I have to open the app again, which takes, 2 seconds. And make sure my target's back on right, and you can pinch and zoom that too. But just as a note, it's not that annoying, and I'm sure there's a fix, but that's the only negative thing I have to say about it so far. But anyway, the iTarget Pro with the 9mm laser bullet and a Glock 19 is really fun. I highly recommend it. Hope you guys have a good one. Stay safe out there.